What up? Go on. Simultaneous equation. Let's start it that way, you know. New subscribers, welcome. Big up for myself. Yeah. Been a while, people. Been a while, but I don't know the shep's go. Even when they put it to out day night, don't it? So, yeah, man. As a forward on, guys, just hit the like button. Cause we're gonna do some work tonight. When I watch a crowd, you know, I do well for it because we say maths, don't. So guys, we'll start off with simultaneous equation. Alright. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna rub it out, and that does just for the thumbnail, right? So I'm gonna rub it out and we're gonna start it away then. For the new subscribers, big up for yourself. Enough people must subscribe over the past couple of days and thing, and yeah, welcome. This is your awesome begins, alright? If you know how to work it, guys, just go ahead. I'll get more complex. So if you know how to do it, just go left in the comment section. Work, Mr. Benita, work now. Chicken we are jerk, and a chicken we are jerk, alright? Alright, so what is a simultaneous equation? Basically, a simultaneous equation is when you have like two unknown and it's happening simultaneously, meaning at the same time. So normally with the regular linear, we'd say x plus 3 equal 5, right? So here we'd have one unknown, but with simultaneous equation, we have two unknowns, right? Just as an example, so we have y and we don't know x. So what we normally do is to big up peeps, big up. Welcome on. You know, Mr. Bennett now couldn't go in an exam unless you can get a grade 1, you know. I must ignore the thing, alright? So let's go. So we have x plus y is equal to 10 and x minus y is equal to 2. So what we have to do, guys, is to eliminate one of the term, right? So the condition is once the coefficient, to eliminate one of them, the coefficient must be the same, or the number, right? And if we look at this, we have 1 here, 1 here. If we were to eliminate x, we'd have to subtract. But to me, I think that would be more difficult for students. Because this one now, we have positive and a negative. If we should add, we eliminate y immediately. Because the coefficient is the same and the signs are different. So when the signs are different, we add. Alright? So let's walk through it. So basically, just group like terms. So it's x plus x, because remember it's an equation. Anything you do for one, you have to do for all, right? So we add. And then we say 10 plus 2, alright? X plus x, that gives us 2x. And as we discussed, y plus negative y would give us 0. 10 plus 2, 12. Alright? So we know 0 means nothing. As the Americans would say, a big fat nothing. Alright? And then now this is saying 2 times a number is equal to 12. So we just divide by 2. That means x is equal to 6. Alright? So after we find the value of x, what we can do is to substitute the value in any one of the equation. So I'm going to use it for y plus 6, x plus y equal 10. So x is 6, and we're going to replace it, so that's 6 plus y equal 10. And then now we subtract. Because this is saying 6 plus what give you 10. Naturally, we know it is 4. But to show working, we say 10 minus 6, which is 4. So therefore, x is equal to 4. X is equal to 6 and y is equal to 4 rather. And we can check our equation by substituting this value. So let's check 6 plus 4 is equal to 10. 6 minus 4 is equal to 2. Alright? So just remember the rule. We must, in order to eliminate, we must bring them to a common. No, I want to use the word common. We must bring them to the same coefficient or the same number in front of x or y, whichever we're trying to eliminate. Alright? So let's go, guys. Let's go. We're going to start working, We're going to show you how when you have to multiply and all of that. A number of persons have left this on my videos and say, sir, do simultaneous equation. Alright, so after tonight, everyone should be able to get full marks from these. I'm not even joking, right? I could go through one more of these. I'm just using random numbers now. I'm not really make it be a particular number, alright? Alright, so this one says x plus y is equal to 13 and x minus y is equal to 3. Can you guys go ahead and try this one? Quickly, let's go. Alright, while you're on it, guys, you can hit the like button, alright? So now it's the same procedure, right? Because the signs are different and the coefficient is the same, we can add. Alright? We could choose to use subtract and eliminate x, but this is much easier. Alright? Alright, so we're gonna add, but remember if we add r, right? So it will be x plus y. We're gonna put a plus right here, plus minus y. That doesn't change the fact that this is gonna be 0, right? And then 13 plus 3. Alright? X plus x, that is 2x. Y from that leave 0. 13 plus 3 is equal to 16. So therefore, 2x is equal to 16. What times 2 can give you 16? So we just divide by 2 to show working. So therefore, x is equal to 8. Alright? Very easy. Let us see if we can find y now. Alright? If you're on, guys, just hit the like button. And we can see what I'm going, because I think it's only 2 persons on now. Alright, so we have x plus y is equal to 13. But we know the value of x to be 8. So we substitute 8 plus y equal 13. And then now we subtract 8 from both sides. All this is saying 8 plus what? Give us 13. What would that be? What is 8 plus? Give a 13. 8 plus what? Give a 13, right? But to show working, we say 13, take the inverse, which is minus 8. So therefore, y is equal to 5. Alright? Let's go more complex with the next one. Yeah, man, hit the like button, guys. Right away. And chicken me a jerk, I work where I work. Big up to the people who follow on marathon and thing, yeah. Respect for that, man, respect for that. So we need to appreciate the love and energy they want to give me and strength, you know what I mean? People request part 2. So it'll take about 2 weeks though, guys, alright? Alright, so let us try when the coefficient is not the same. For example, say we have 2x plus whatever or whatever, but it's not the same coefficient. Let's look at that. Let's say we have 2x plus y equal 11 and 3x plus y. So notice this one is different. Both of them are not the same in terms of x, right? And we have y and y. Those coefficients are the same. So we have 2x plus y equal 11 and 3x plus y equal 16. Now, if you notice, for y, the answers, for y, the coefficients are the same, right? But the signs are different. So make note of that, guys. The coefficients are the same, but the signs are the same. No, the coefficient is the same and the signs are the same. So what do we do then? Alright? So if we have y and want to get 0, what sign should we put in the middle here to make it be 0? Right? And that would be minus, right? Because y minus y is equal to 0. So what we do, we're going to subtract. However, we're going to do it for all. For the entire equation. Alright, so we'll have 2x minus 3x plus y minus y 11 minus 16. We have to do it for all, guys, not just one. Alright, so 2x minus 3x. The 3 is bigger, so it's going to take a negative sign, and that will give us 1. This will definitely give us 0, and 11 minus 16 is bigger, so that will give us negative 5. So therefore negative x equal negative 5. So therefore x is equal to positive 5. Now we are not finished. After we find that x is equal to 5, what we need to do is to substitute the value in any one of the equation. I'm going to use equation 1 again because the numbers are smaller and it's positive. So we're going to use 2x plus y equal 11 and that. So substitute. So we substitute, you can make a little notes, make C-set notes here, right? Substitute x equal 5 in equation 1, right? And then we just write back the equation, which is 2x plus y equal 11. We know that we're going to replace, anywhere is the x, we're going to replace it with 5, right? So we replace it with 5, and that the bracket means to multiply. So 2, 5, 10 plus y equal 11. So therefore, we get rid of this, which is a positive 10. So we take the inverse, which is minus 10. Anything I do to one side, I do to both sides, right? So therefore, y is equal to 11 minus 10. So y is equal to 1. And there we have it. 2, 5, 10 plus 1, 11. 3, 5, 15 plus 1 is equal to 16. Alright? We're going to go more complex, guys. This is just for everyone to catch the principle. If you're watching the playback, definitely pause the video and try. Zoom say you must link him in a Discord. Oh guys, the part 1 of the marathon gone already, part 2 will come up. Part 2 will come up next. Not this week coming, the other week. Alright, Sunday. We yet to set a time, but definitely this Sunday, not this Sunday, the other Sunday coming. Alright? Mad thing. We did part 1 already. Crazy work, man. Crazy work. 5 hours out of work. Know my thing go. I aim for all my students to get grade 1. So give them the info from early so they can do them thing. So part 2 will come up. We will look at matrices, vectors, geometry, trigonometry, statistics. And where is the point that again? Enough things, guys. Enough things. Alright? What the Patrick's and thing. And then a joke thing. If everybody must have my number by now. 876 549 2161. Just link me up, man. And anybody can be a part of that. Doesn't matter where in the Caribbean you are, you can be a part of it. Doesn't matter where in Jamaica you are, you can be a part of it. Alright? Alright, let's just say this now. Zoom. Man from our St. Vincent. Big up. Young mathematician that. I real G that too, I not lie. Big up yourself, Zoom. Alright, this time we make both of them in terms of the coefficient be different. So x coefficient different, y coefficient different. Alright, Alright, so I'm going to put in some answers now. Alright. So, if you want to go ahead and try that guys. Alright. So we have 3x plus 2y equals 17 and x plus 3y equals 12. For those of you who can go ahead and do it, you can. Alright. Yeah man, only for people seem so online tonight. Big up, big up, big up. Yeah guys, once you're on, just hit the like button. Alright. It's 16 likes, I know say 16 persons online. That's the only way I know who online. Alright? So just hit the like button. The more company we have and the more encouragement I have to do more though. Yeah. So it going on. Even though we love maths and so, we still want to need encouragement to push you on though. Because if people don't appreciate what you're doing, you just not going to do it, you're not going to feel the energy for it. Alright? So go and like up the video. Alright? And if you watch the playback, go and like up the video. If you don't subscribe, you know what you have to do. Alright, so let's just inspect it. So the coefficient or the number in front of x are different, 3 and 1. And let's check for y. The coefficients are different also. Alright? So what we have to do is we can choose one of them that we want to eliminate. So we want to get rid of x, we multiply by 1 and 3. Alright? So we think of a number. So first I show my students this and they kind of like it. So we want to get rid of x. Right? This is 3 times 1, that is 3. So make a rough column, right? So 3 times 1, that is 3. So I'm going to bring both of them coefficient to be 3. So I just put a times and say, what number do I multiply 3 by to give me 3? Somebody type that to me now. What number I multiply 3 by to give me 3? Because I want both of them to be 3x. And that's why we multiply. Sometimes students say they multiply, but they don't know why they multiply. This is why we multiply. We want to bring the coefficient to be the same. Alright? So 3 times 1, that is 3. So we're going to bring all of them to 3x. So we just multiply this by 1 because this is already 3x. So 1 times 3x, that is 3x. Put a big bracket, I am going to multiply everything by 1. Alright? And we do the same for this. This is 1. What times 1 can give us 3? That is only 3. Alright? Only 3 can multiply by 1 to give us 3. And then now that the coefficients are the same, we just say bam. Somebody said I'm getting a decimal. That is fine also. So 1 times that would give us 3x. 1 times 2 would give us 2y. And 1 times 17 would give us 17. Alright? And then now we do the same, but this time we multiply by 3. 3 times that, 3x. 3 times 3, 9. 3 times 12, that will be 36. Alright? And now that we have 3x and 3x, we're going to subtract because both of them are positive and we want to get rid of it, right? So we're going to do it for all. So 3x minus 3x plus 2y minus 9y is equal to 17 minus 36. Alright? Very important. And then now we can do the maths. 3y minus 3y, that is 0. 2y minus that will give us negative 7y. And then now we say 17 minus 36. So we need 3 more to make 20. So when we do 20, that's about 16 more. So that's 19. Alright. Doesn't matter if it's a decimal. So that's negative 19. And then we divide both sides by negative 7. No, that's not 19. Yeah, man. 3 if you make 20. And then 16 plus 3, 90. Alright. So use, guys, I don't have a calculator now. Somebody punch out on them calculator. 7 into 19, that goes 2 times. 7 to is 14 and 4 over 7. So x, what is 4 over 7 as a decimal? Somebody type that in for me now. Let's see if I can get a calculator. If you want to work it in decimal, guys, you just use 1 decimal, please. So now we're going to substitute the value that we get for y. Alright? So that's 0.6. Alright? So this now would be 2.6. So y is 2.6. So we substitute that in the equation. Next one I'm going to make be a whole number. Students 8 work with decimal, I don't know why, but I forget you see. I'm going to use this one though. X plus 3y equal 12. We don't know the value of x, but we know the value of y to be 2.6. And then now we can say x plus 3, 6 is 18, 8 carry 1. 3 is 2, 6 and 1, 7. So that's 7.8 is equal to 12. So therefore x is equal to 12. To get rid of this, we minus 7.8. And whatever that work out, that would be our answer. Right? That's 4.2. Zoom it, they say 3.6. I'm not sure about that. Alright, so now we're gonna try. I want you guys to try this one. Alright, try it on by yourself, and then I'm gonna do the solution. This time it's gonna be a whole number, a natural number. So x equal either 3 or 5 or some solid number. No decimal for this one. I don't want to complicate things for you guys as yet. Oh guys, hit the like button now. So just watch it play back, hit the like button. I don't deal with man. If you're not subscribe guys, you know what to do, right? Hit the subscribe button. If this end there, you know, hit the subscribe button. Alright, so I'm gonna work out this one nice for a whole numbers. I want to see, I'm going to check the comment section to see who can get it. Try out that one. 2x plus 4y equal 8 and 3x plus y equal 7. Go ahead and try that one, guys. I'm going to give you guys 4 minutes. These are worth 4 marks in Csec. So 4 minutes. 1 minute per mark. Let's go. Guys, the reason I haven't been coming online because I'm full up of classes, alright? So I don't forget to me, man. Full up of classes, man. Full up of classes. But you know, when you do hard work, everybody wants to work with you, don't it? Yeah. So, at the end of the day, I'm not complaining about having many classes, many students, because it is due to the hard work that I've been putting in over the years. And people are now starting to recognize it and things. So there's nothing wrong with that. Alright, so I'm not complaining, but I will make time to come on the channel and do work. Alright, that's how I am. Alright, so we have 2 more minutes to complete that. So you need to comment them. Zoom say x equal 2, y equal 1. Alright, so somebody Do it already. Right on time. Big up Zoom, St. Vincent and Grenadines. Yeah. Big up me youth. Big up, big up. Real baller, real mathematician. Zoom, you need to be a part of my Zoom class, you know. Yeah. Yeah, man, you need to be a part of my Zoom class. Guys, yeah. This. Oh, from Grenada. I said Vincent, me say, sorry, man. Grenada, sorry, man. Yeah, man, from Grenada. Sorry about that. Big up St. Vincent, see me. Trinidad, Yard, Barbados, Jamaica, Bahamas, Cayman. Yo, Montserrat. Alright. Everyone, St. Lucia, big up, man. Big up. Alright? So, guys, we need to choose which one we're gonna eliminate by X or Y. This time I think I'm gonna get rid of Y. No, I get rid of X. Now if I get rid of X, I have to focus on the coefficient of X, right? Which is these two numbers. So first I said 2 times 3, that is 6. So we're gonna make both of them be 6x. That's the objective of multiplying. Alright? So ask yourself, what times 2 can give us 6? And that will be 3. So it's like some students like to say, sir, it's like you swap them. If you want to look on it that way, yeah. 3 2 6, 3 2 6. Alright? So I multiply everything by 2 and everything by 3. Let's go. So 3 times 2, that is 6x. 3 times 4, 12y. And 3 times 8, 24. Remember, that's why we multiply, so the coefficient can be the same. Alright, so 2 times 3, that is 6. 2 times y, that is 2y. And then 2 times 7, 14. So notice, I multiply everything by 2, not just one number, right? So now the coefficient is the same, we can put a sign. Both of them positive, we can subtract, right? So when the signs are the same, we subtract. When they are different, we add. So 6x minus 6x plus 12y minus 2y is equal to 24 rather minus 14. Notice I put minus for all, right? So that's a 0. This would give us 10y. 12 minus 2, 24 minus 14 is equal to 10. And then 10 times what give you 10? Correct. That is 1. Alright? So therefore we get y is equal to 10 divided by 10. That is 1. So now that we know so y, we're going to substitute the value y equal 1 in equation 1. Alright? So we write back equation 1. So that's 2x plus 4y, and that must equal to 8. But we know the value of y, so we're going to replace x with 1. So therefore, we're going to have 1 unknown now. Right? And that is equal to 8. Bracket means multiply. 4 ones 4. And if you get rid of this plus 4 by taking the inverse of plus 4, which is minus 4, and you will do it to one side, we'll do it to both sides. Right? So that's 2x equals 28 minus 4, that is 4. 2 times what give you 4? And that would be 2. So x is equal to 2. Alright? Alright guys, so I want you guys to go ahead and try another one for yourselves. I'm not seeing anyone in the comment section. Zoom, are you alone online? Come on guys, let's go. All of us doing exam, right? Let's go. We're gonna do our next one. This one is gonna be a little bit tough. So guys, prepare to push yourselves for this one, alright? So try this one now. We'll clear the board. Let's go. And if you're watching the playback, let's pause the video and try it before you look at the solution. Alright? Work where I work and a chicken where I jerk. You have to test yourself before you go exam. You can't go exam shaky. I have Mr. Bennett on your team. That everybody dream. Alright, so let's go. So try this one, guys. Let's see how good you guys really are. So I'm only afraid to come a marathon, you know, because I don't want see the weakness show up. But the purpose of marathons is to make you for show your weakness. Alright? For show up your weakness. Alright, go ahead and do that one now. So x plus 3y equal minus 8 and x plus y equal minus 3. Let's see how well you guys can work with the negative. Let's go. Hit the like button, guys. Hit the like button while you're on. If I watch the playback, still hit the like button. What am I deal with? Let's go, let's go. Type in the answer now, guys. 2x plus 3y equal negative 8. X plus y equal negative 3. And guys, do share it on your status so people can know what going on. We don't know the selfish something, you know. It's a benny channel for everybody. Alright? So if you know somebody who is struggling, and if you know somebody who wants to do well in Csec math, link them with me. Alright? So this one says 2x plus 3y equal negative 8 and x plus y equal negative 3. Yeah man, respect guys, respect. Do remember the entire multiple choice is already on my channel. I'm gonna do some more. I'm doing January paper, June paper, alright? So you guys do check out that. Other subjects like physics, Zoom say x equal minus 1, y equal negative 2. Oh, it's simultaneous equation. Someone is saying what is the heading? It's simultaneous equation. Guys, I'm so sorry. This is so unlike me. And there are more on my channel, alright? I'm so sorry guys, I didn't realize. I was so excited, it's been so long that I just start fling down thing. This card, how am I going to know about this card as some game thing? I play some FIFA thing, I'm link up with some from Trinidad and something. But I don't know exactly, but I know it's an app where you can reach out to the person, something like WhatsApp. But I've never been totally into it or whatever, but you know. Alright. What's the answer, guys? 2x plus 3y equal negative 8. X plus y equal negative 3. Do you guys agree with Mr. Man from Grenada? Or you think it's a different answer? Just share in the comment section, alright? Alright, so we're gonna go through the solution though, guys, because we have more to do. Notorious coder. So link up Zoom and find out what's going on with the discard thing, alright? Alright, so guys, we want to get rid of, I think we're gonna get rid of x this time. So the first thing, let's look at the coefficient. So it's 2 and 1. Multiply 2 times 1, so we're gonna bring both of them to 2x. So this times 1 gives us 2x, and this times 2. Alright? 1 times everything. So 1 times that, 2x. 1 times 3y, 3y. 1 times that, negative 8. Remember, we're going to get the same thing once we multiply by 1. Alright? So now we're going to use 2 and multiply by everything. So 2 times 1, that's 2x. And that is why we multiply by 1 and 2. Forget these two numbers to be the same. 2 times y, that's 2y. And 2 times 3 equal negative 6. And we're going to subtract to get rid of x. Because remember, once both are the same, we subtract. Alright? So that gives us 2x minus 2x. 3y minus 2y. And this one can be a little bit tricky. Let's go. So we have negative 8 minus minus 6. Remember, there's a minus here already. Minus there. We have to put the minus same way. Alright? A common error, students will say negative 8 minus 6. Because them see a minus there already. No. If it's supposed to be there, you have to put it there. Alright? So therefore, 2x minus 2x, that is 0. 2y minus y, that is y. And this is going to become a positive. Let me just show the step. Both of them going to come a positive. So that's 6. And then y, negative 8 plus 6, that's minus 2. The 8 is bigger. We subtract and keep the sign of the bigger one. So that is y equal negative 2. So now that we know the value of y, we can substitute. We're going to use equation 1 this time, which is x plus y equal negative 3. We found y to be negative 2. So we say x minus 2 equal negative 3. And now we take the inverse of minus 2, which is plus 2. That is the opposite. And then we say that negative 3, we subtract. And that gives us 1. And there we have it. Mr. Man from Grenada, you are correct. Yeah, man, crazy work, man. Crazy work. Alright, so guys, make the correction if any, and then I want you guys to try our next one. Alright? Guys, some of these are actual past papers already. Someone say past papers. We've been working them, right? It's not every day I'm gonna say past paper, I give it a year, but we've been working past papers, alright? And we will continue to do so. Oh, PR Sema from Grenada. Big up, man. Grenada in the building. Quadratic equations. Yeah, man, we do that too. The next one can be quadratic equation, no problem. That me depend with grade 10 too, you know. So probably somebody from my school. I work where I work and a chicken where I jerk. I just tell you something weird, man. Alright guys, so try this one on your own. Let's see how well you guys can do this one. Alright, solve that one. 5x minus y is equal to 13. Then x plus 2y is equal to 9. What is the value of x and what is the value of y? From Bahamas, currently live in Jamaica and taking Csec. Zoe Evans. You need to call me now, Zoe. And join my marathon them, you know. We think the normal, you know, Zoe. See number there? If everybody, I don't go Zoe alone. Join my class, 5 hours per week, Zoom class, alright? 549-2161. Put the 876 in front of it, guys, and WhatsApp me and you can join my class. Class tomorrow at 5. Josh, big up. Josh, see that? From Grand Spain. It a got hard for them keep up. Alright, so try that one, guys. Let me see what going on the brain. Alright, guys, me in the comment section, guys. Now wait for see the answer. Oh, you're not taking CSEC? Alright, somebody said them just subscribe, them loving the content. Yeah, man, big up, thanks, man. Appreciate it, bro. Or miss. Sometimes when the name don't really dictate the gender. So big up. There's a crazy work we put in on the channel, you know. Crazy work. Alright. What's the answer now, guys? Leave it in the comment section. If you have struggle, leave it. If you have any question, leave it so we can answer same way. Work where work. Alright, so we have got through the one here now, guys. I want everyone meds it fully, alright? Just meds walk one. Somebody said 2.1. So I guess it's a decimal again. Alright. Alright, Jasmine said give 5 minutes. Alright, go ahead. Complete it. Somebody say solution now solve. So let me say it wrong then. Check it over. If the answer is correct, it must satisfy both equations. So when I substitute it, it have to work out to exactly the amount where you get. It can work for one and don't work for the next. So check it if you made an error. You guys have 2 more minutes. It must satisfy both of them. So you probably make an error with the sign or subtract something or something. Correct it, guys. Correct it. 1 minute to correct it. Alright, time is up. Unfortunately, I don't see anyone type it in. But nevertheless, guys, we're going to work it out. Alright? Alright, so we're going to get rid of y. Why? The numbers are smaller. And the signs are different. So if I multiply by 1 and 2, I can just add and get rid of y. Because 1 are negative, 1 are positive. So 1 times that gives us 2, so that's 2, and this by 1. Alright, so 2 times 5, that's 10x. 2 times negative y minus 2y, and 2 times 13, that's 26. Alright, so now we're going to be multiplying by 1 times anything or anything. So 1 times x, that is x, plus 2y equal 9. Remember, we're going to add. So we get rid of the y, because 1 is negative and 1 is positive, right? So we add, so we get 10x plus x minus 2y plus 2y, so this is 0, and then 26 plus 9, alright? So this gives us 11x, 9 and 6, that gives us 33. 4 off of this? No. That's a 35. So 9 and 6 are 15, so that's 35. Right? And then we divide by 11. So x equal 35, that's a 3 point something. Let me see. Well, guys, I'm just putting this on my calculator. That's 3.2. Alright, so x equal 3.2, and then we substitute. So it's x plus 2y equal 9. X at 3.2. And then now we can get rid of the 2 by subtracting 3.2 from both sides. That 8, 3 from this leaves 6, so that's a 5.8. So into that 2 carry 1.9. So y is equal to 2.9. One more, guys, one more. Do that one here from oh no. Come on, guys, we not get it. We not deal with, man. We not deal with. So guys, we're not sure if I'm going to come on tomorrow, but just keep the notification on. And then, just keep the notification on so when time on, you can come on and do some work, because crazy work. Someone requested the simultaneous equation, but we're gonna be continuing working past paper questions, alright? Alright, so let's try this one now. Sometimes you're gonna make mistake, but that's why we have to practice before exam. We can't go exam go say we are correct for mistake, alright? Remember guys, see me number there 5492161, alright? Can't get to be a part of the legacy, Legacy. Try that one now, guys. 5x plus 4y equal negative 7. And 5x plus y equal negative 1. Hit the like button if you're just joining. Or if you want to play back, click on more. Yeah. Guys, you have 1 month and exactly 1 week for Csec. 1 month exactly and 1 week. 1 month, 1 week exactly. No more time for waste. That's roughly 5 weeks. Oh guys, you know to share the video, man. If you share it to your friends, Cause we don't want them something that we don't want them a struggle, Yeah man, share to their friends them too, man. You just want and just to be alone, right? Want everybody feel learn. Everybody feel learn. Everybody feel learn, everybody feel learn. Alright, so I'll go through this. Alright, yeah man, share with them, man. Let them know what I want. Cause guys, remember, and I just maths upon it, Maths, bio, chemistry, physics, geography, information technology, EDPM come, social studies, PE, geography. Everything is a one-stop channel, man. No normal thing this. Alright? Not a normal thing, I'm telling you the truth. Alright? So let us look at this one solution. But I never give you guys enough time. Alright, next one you guys gonna catch. I'm gonna cut it down slow a bit so you guys can get it. But you guys remember you can always watch the playback, right? Yeah. Alright? So we're gonna multiply by 1 and 5. Even though 4 and 1 smaller. People like multiply by 5, right? So 5 times 5, that's 25x. 5 times 4, that is 20y. And 5 times 7 is negative 35. Alright? So now we're going to multiply by 1, everything by 1. 1 times x, that's x. 1 times y, y. And y times 1, negative 1. Look kind of weird. No. It's a bit of real idiot, This is 1 and this is 5, guys. Come here and say, oh the hell. Remember them look so weird. Alright, so 1 times 5, that's 5x. 1 times 4, 4y. 1 times 7, negative 7. Then we multiply by 5. 5 times x, 5x. These numbers must be the same. 5 ones, 5y, and 5 times that, negative 5. Alright? So we're going to subtract, and then 5 minus 5. So that's 4. So this is going to give us 0. And we have 4y minus 5y is equal to negative 7 minus 5. Notice, guys, I put back the minus, right? Everyone make note this stuff. I put back the minus. Even though a minus is here, we still go with the minus. This is 0. This gives us negative y. This gives us negative 7 plus 5. Both of these negatives is going to become plus when I multiply, right? So negative y is equal to negative 2. So therefore, y is positive 2. But we're not finished. We're going to put y equal to in the equation. So we have x plus y equal negative 1. Y is 2, so that's x plus 2 equal negative 1. So therefore, x, this is going to become a minus 2, because we're going to subtract 2 from both sides. So that's minus 1 minus 2. So therefore, x is equal to minus 3. So x is equal to negative 3, while y is equal to 2. Alright, we're going to take it back a little for the persons who are just joining, so they can get a feel of what's happening. Alright? No selfish thing, no selfish thing. Someone said they got negative 11 and positive 12, and that satisfies the equation. You know, we should try it. Type it in back again, so make us see what I'm going. It's x are negative 11 and y are negative 12. Alright, so 5 times 11, 55. That's a negative 55. 4 times that are 48. Y are positive 12. So if it's positive 12 and x are negative 11, we will get 1. We'll get positive 1 here, someone. If you say our x are positive 12, I just wanted to see if what you were saying, if it could actually work. Alright, one more, guys, one more. Let's go, let's go. Alright, let's get this maths pass and over with. Alright, no joke. Zoom, I'm gonna check. Just WhatsApp me. You have my number and everything. Just WhatsApp me, that's it. The chat came off. And guys, see my number there if you want to be a part of the marathon armor class. Just link me up. We could get this thing on the road. This is gonna work with some positive for some persons who just join and get a feel and feel more comfortable and lost. Sometimes it's hard to come into something and then, you know. No, change this to 4, guys. it's okay, it's okay. Try that one. 4x plus 2y equal negative 6. And 3x plus y equal negative 5. Who will be the first one to get that one correct? Let's go, guys. So we have 4x plus 2y equal minus 6, and 3x plus y equal 5. Someone says, sorry, I'm going to go in the chat and read that. Guys, there's nothing to be sorry about, man. We have time. We have 1 month and 1 week. Whatever we never get to fix, we can fix it. You see my number on the board? 5492161 876 Jamaica code. Link me up and we can fix things. Alright? We now do about maths, you know. Because we don't do reset down. One time and pass it. That's how we think. Alright? So Mr. Bennett pre-life. Let's get it over with and done. So guys, anything we never do, we still have time to do. No reset. Somebody said do a quadratic equation. We can do it, man. Nothing hard, man. You can do it, man. But more I use a life, or just to be a quadratic equation. Just like how I do this, and people get comfortable and know say, yeah, my master it now, I fully get it. That's what I want for you guys. I want you guys to fully get it. Not just halfway, but you know, we just know say after tonight, simultaneous equation lock. Totally. Yeah, man, you can use matrix method and solve it. Remember, it's if you're awesome at matrix method, you can use that also. I've also gone through the matrix method already of solving equation, simultaneous equation matrix method. So yeah, you guys can go ahead and do that. Once it works, it's perfect. Alright? We are do everything, man. And not just statistics, everything we are do, every single thing before exam. Sandrine what? Wagwan. Big up, man. Big up Sandrine what? And I'm a big supporter of that, you know. Normally should have come on long time. Big up Sandrine, what's up? What a go on? How things? Alright, thanks guys, thanks. Tell me the answer, guys. Tell me the answer. Billet, solve that one here, make we see how easy it be now. Solve this. You say you pass the test. Solve this and make we see what go on with you. Alright, so I'm gonna see the solution. We are go through it now, guys. Alright? Guys, remember this can come on C-sec, you know. Or with the angle that if it come on C-sec. Alright? So we're gonna multiply by 1 and 2. So this one by 1 and this one by 2. So 1 times this will give us 4x. 1 times 2y, that's 2y. 1 times 6, negative 6. Alright, remember, positive times a negative, negative. 2 times 3, 6x. 2 times y, 2y. And 2 times 5, negative 10. Notice I multiply everything by 10, not just 1. Alright? And then now we can subtract. Because these are the same, so we subtract. So we have 4x minus 6x plus 2y minus 2y is equal to minus 6 minus 10. These can be really tricky, guys. Always put the sign. Once the sign is there, you put it there, right? And then now we can do the maths. We group all the like terms. 4 minus that gives us negative 2x. 2y minus 2y, that is 0. This is going to become a positive. Let me just show this step. Negative 6 plus 10. Because these two will give you a positive. Alright? So we can see now that we have negative 2x equal negative 6 plus 10. I'll just rewrite it for persons can see clearly. So we have negative 2x. Negative 6 plus that is going to give us positive 4. Remember, the 10 is bigger. So we're going to subtract, keep the sign on the bigger one, which is positive. And then we divide by negative 2. So x is equal to negative 2. And that is probably 2 marks, depends on how C6 set it up. And then we substitute now. So we're going to use equation 2. So that's 3x plus y equal negative 5. But we know the value of x to be negative 2. So we're going to substitute negative 2 in the equation. 3 times 2, that's negative 6 plus y equal negative 5. Take the inverse, which is plus 6. So that's negative 5 plus 6. Keep the sign on the bigger one, which is 6. So that's 1. So x is equal to negative 2 and y is equal to negative 1. Alright? I'm going to see who can get this one first. We're going to take it down a little, notch a little. I'm going to go back for the persons who are just joining. I notice more and more persons are joining in as we go along. So we're just going to continue for work. Alright? Work we are working on peeps. So now chicken we are jerk. Alright? So I want to see you guys do this one and make everyone feel comfortable. You guys have school tomorrow? And at Easter we can do what if I work with them peeps. Only say. SBA them gone in. I'm ready for getting a grade 1. Let me know, you know, let me know. Alright, just to take it down a notch. Let's see if you guys have been able to, you know, learn some stuff. Solve these and let me see. I want to see the first person to text it in the comment section. Alright, guys? x plus y equal 12 and x minus y equal yeah man, maths are fun man. Maths are fun when you can do it. But when you can't do maths, trust me, I headache that peeps. Headache when you can't do it. Stress out. So x plus y is equal to 12 and x minus y equal 4. Thanks to all the persons who share it with them, colleagues and so forth. Big up man, big up. Yeah, we need that. We need that. We have to gang up against Csec and maths, you know. Every year, Csec get more expensive in terms of the price and so forth. Hey, good night. Oh, boy. Alright? No, me I'm live on my live at the maths. No, me say me live on my live at the maths with the students. Alright, alright. Alright, alright. You can't live up here. Alright. Guys, me never seen an answer come in. Oh, someone says X, Zoom say X at 8, Y at 4. Jean say bye. Sandrine say exam tomorrow. Alright, all the best in your exam. All the best. Yeah. You know thing already. All the very best in your exam. Alright, I can work it out now. So guys, this will start with. So for the persons who are just joining, this is what we start out with. We always start out simple, right? Alright, so we said these are the same. If you add them, we automatically get rid of y. So we're going to add the equation because the signs are different. When they are different, then bam. So we have x plus y minus plus y equal 12 plus 4. So bam, this gives us 2x. This gives us 0 as we discussed. 12 plus that gives us 16. Divide by 2. So as Zoom says, x is equal to 8. Alright? And then now, we substitute the equation. So we substitute x equal 8. So we have x plus y equal 12. But we know the value of x, right? So we're going to put it in. So 8 plus y equal 12. And we do the inverse, which is minus 8. So y is equal to 12 minus 8. So y is equal to 4. Alright. Alright, Zoom said he did it a different way and he got the same answer. Yeah man, that's fine man. Big up, big up, big up. So x is 8 and y is 4. Alright. So big up. It doesn't matter which way you do it. Once it's correct, it's perfect. Alright. Thanks for the likes, guys. Me see more and more people. I do the likes. Alright, so guys, try this one again. We're not ready to figure out about it, you know, even though we have exams and dreams. Stay on the command. Yeah, deal. Try next simple one, guys, and let me see if you guys are improved. All right. So 2x plus y equal 13 and x plus y equal 8. Go ahead and try that one, guys. Let's go. Billet said he got the same answer. Zoom said next topic. Yeah, man, yeah, guys, remember you can always watch the playback, you know. Yes, Sanjin, thanks for the love. Thanks for the love. Big up, man, big up. You know the feeling mutual, alright? Love for everyone, alright? So we have 2x plus y equal 13 and x plus y equal 8. Alright, guys. How much more time do you guys need? 2x plus y equal 13 and x plus y equal 8. Zoom, you know if you do the quadratic one? Alright, guys, type in the solution so we can move on, man. Type in the solution. Guys, it's early now, just 9:30. One more minute, guys. Alright guys, ready. Let's go. We got this lock. Alright, so it said 2x plus y. So both of them are the same, so we don't have to multiply, we can just subtract because both signs are the same. Coefficients are the same and signs are the same, so we just subtract. So it will be 2x minus x, y minus y, that is 0, 13 minus 8. So 2x minus x, that is x, and 13 minus 8 is 5. So right away, we get the value of x to be 5, and then now we can substitute x equal 5 in equation 2 this time. So x plus y equal 8, y is 5, so that's y plus, and then we subtract 5. So y is equal to 3. And there we go, 4 marks in Csec. Zoom, why you try that quadratic one here, guys? A bad one. Me drop this at the marathon. Alright? You know, I want to do a video separate with the quadratic one, but I'm going to touch one night and make you guys be aware, right? Alright? So it's not only add, we can multiply when we do simultaneous equation. We can have x, y, and so forth. Alright? So I could show you guys what I want to do. Alright? So join for the next video. See if you can bring this point, I want you ready. Guys, remember you can always watch the playback so you can get this fully and out of the way. You can understand it totally. Alright, so look at this one. Zoom, you love going like you're wicked. Try that one here. Try that one, the zoom. You always are going like you're bad. Always are going like you're bad and you're wicked. So we have 2x plus y equal 8 and xy equal 6. How would you approach that? Alright guys, work out that, let me see. Zoom where you get. Sanjay Smith, big up yourself, big up yourself. Alright guys, I think we have to go through the one here because I see nobody else do it. The next live, at this year I'll kick it off with, alright? Some more of these. I think we great Zoom, see them one here before. Oh, go on. Alright, Zoom say all. Alright. Say tried something, alright. Share it today and then we can look at it, alright? Guys, don't forget share with the others. X equal 2 and y equal 12. That's Damian Hines. X equal 2, y equal 4. All of them this one wrong, you know, man. All of them there. Big up Damian Hines. Big up everybody if you come out, you see it. Alright guys, now go through it slowly so you guys can meds it, alright? Alright, so guys, this one is a little bit different, right? So we have 2x plus y equal 8. The first thing we have to do, we have to substitute, we have to change the subject of the formula for equation 1 and put it in equation 2. So we have 1 unknown. Right? So if we solve for y, I prefer for y this time, we get a third equation. So we're going to subtract this from this side. So that will give us y equal 8 minus 2x. What we do now is to substitute this for y in this. Now it says x. So we now go right back y. Instead, we go right back y times 8 minus 2x. So what we do now, we eliminate the y term. By substituting, we eliminate the y term. Alright? And then now we expand the bracket. So x times 8, that's 8x. X times negative 2, that's negative 2x squared. And we have 6. But we can subtract the 6 from this side. Alright? So that will give us 8x minus 2x squared minus 6, and that equals 0. And then now we can put it in our quadratic way where we love, right? So put out the x squared front. So that's negative 2x squared plus 8x minus 6, and that must equal to 0. Alright? And now we can divide by negative 1 because we want to get rid of the negative. So we divide everything by negative 1. So what a negative will become positive. And we're going to left with this. So we're going to left with 2x squared. Next, minus 8x plus 6, and that is equal to 0. Alright, so now we can just factorize 2 times 6, that is 12. So we want two numbers. When we multiply them, it gives us 12. And when we add them, it gives us negative 8. What will the factors be? Let's see who can type it in. Two numbers, when we multiply them, it gives us 12. When we add them, it gives us negative 8. What two numbers that, guys? Let's see how well you guys can master that. Alright, if you are thinking negative 6 and negative 2, you are correct. Alright, so we're gonna say the factors are negative 6 times negative 2, that gives us positive 12, and negative 6 plus negative 2 gives us negative 8. So we just replace it. So that's x squared minus 2x minus 6x plus 6 equals 0. Put your bracket. Factorize, you have factorize. So 2 is common, x is also common. That left x, 2x into itself, minus 1. Put the minus. What's the highest number can go in a 6 and 6? That would be 6. Notice we don't take out the x because only one x common. X not there, so we can't take it out. Only the 6 common. And then so 6 into that leave x. Negative 6 into that leave negative 1. And that equals 0. So the solutions will be x minus 1 and 2x minus 6. So when x minus 1 equals 0, x is equal to positive 1. And when 2x minus 6 is equal to 0, 2x equal, divided by 2, so x equal 3. So we have when x are 1 and when x is 3. So it's actually 4 solutions we're going to get. So when x is 1, what would y be? Right? So we can find that easy by saying 1 times 6. X are 1, right? So we have xy equals 6. When x are 1, 1 times y equal, so see, we just divide by 1 because at times, right? So we just divide by 1. So y equals 6 divided by 1. So when x are 1, y are going to be 6. Let me put 1 here. So. And when x is 3, we have xy equals 6. What times 3 give us 6? So we replace this. So we have 3y equals 6, and we divide by 3. Guys, it's going to be the last one for tonight. Next slide, we're going to start back with some of these, alright? We know enough people don't get that. Enough people. So I'm going to do an entire live with some of these, where we have the quadratic type. They're already on my channel, but I want to do more. Guys, I'm encouraging you. Yeah, man, it's very long. So I want to do it at the start of a live. Now when you guys tired. I want to do it when you guys fresh. We just start and we start from scratch. Oh, the maths SBA is only 20%. So if I get everything in your maths SBA and do nothing on the paper, you will get a grade 6. Alright? The multiple choice is worth 30% and it's 60 questions. I should do a video on that, tell you guys how it's set up and so forth. Alright guys, so we're gonna stop for tonight. I'm a bit tired and all that, but definitely you guys will definitely see me more often after my classes them guys. I'm really rough. I have a lot of classes, so I need rest. But Easter coming up, I will be on my channel doing some work. Other subjects like POB and all of those accounts, everything, I've been working on them also. So if you have not subscribed, guys, please ensure that you subscribe now. Alright? Very important. You don't want to, can't find back this channel. Alright, Zoom, big up, big up. 18%. Very good. Jermaine writes him receive him something. That's 90% basically, alright? So you're on your way, you're going with a grade 1. Let's make me work with you. And then we can something there. Can make ensure so you get a grade 1. So you're going with a grade 1, at the end of it, you can left with a grade 1. Simple as that. So just follow the channel, everything upon it, any topic you're weak on, just try to go through the videos and things. And hit the like button to you know you think already, yeah. A mad thing though, guys, I'm not joking, a mad thing. Alright guys, so big up, thank everyone for coming. We already do paper 1, guys. There are many paper 1 on the channel. So I know so when you're new to this, you know. I will heap a paper 1 upon the thing. January and May. We'll heap of them upon it. City and Gills upon it too, everything. And guys, you can share this in your study session and whatever. And make people know what go on. We don't have to be selfish, right? Alright guys, so big up everyone. Thank you guys so much for staying up with me and things. I didn't even plan to stay so long, but when we see the likes them a go up and things, I say no man, I have to stay on and do some work. So big up everybody. Big up, stay safe guys and things. Guys, me do whole heap of paper too, man. Whole heap of everything upon it, man. Everything, man. Topic by topic. I like to do topic by topic because persons get strong. With the paper 2, them questions in a must repeat. But if you get the concept and the whole award one, then you can master it. So what I try to do, I just do topic by topic and shut it down. Alright? So big up everybody. Stay safe guys. Keep on your notification. So when I come on, you guys can know. Alright? Peace and love. Big up every time.